Is it time to buy or sell Costco stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Costco. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of March, 2025, our system has identified Costco as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.79. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to understand how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock has broken the wide and strong rising short-term trend downward. This indicates a slower pace of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. With this trend being disrupted, there will now be resistance at the lower boundary of the trend at $992.13. A rebound to this level might present a second opportunity to exit before further declines. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 11.38% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 14.59% and 27.69%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 38.37%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 37.92% to 57.15% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $1,329.96 and $1,515.41. Our latest daily update for Costco includes the headline: Costco stock price took a fall of 6.07% on Friday. The Costco stock price fell by 6.07% on the last day, which was Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, dropping from $1,026.62 to $964.31. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.33%, ranging from a low of $942.78 to a high of $1,002.42. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.83% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 5 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.74 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $1,078.24, while the lowest was $697.27. Currently, the stock price is 10.57%, or $113.93, below the 52-week high of $1,078.24, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. Costco's second quarter earnings report reveals a mixed performance that has resulted in notable volatility in its stock price. While revenue increased by 9% compared to the previous year, e-commerce comparable sales soared by nearly 21%, demonstrating strong consumer engagement. However, the company reported net income of $1,790 million, or $4.02 per share, falling short of estimates, which were $4.11. This shortfall has led to a decline in shares of approximately 6.5% during early trading, further impacted by rising merchandising costs and tariff uncertainties that are affecting the retail sector. In the current market environment, where the S&P 500 has also faced challenges, this mixed earnings report could temper investor sentiment in the short term, as concerns regarding margins and future profitability weigh on the stock. Additionally, Costco's high price-to-earnings ratio may restrict its potential for multiple expansion, raising worries about long-term returns. Despite these hurdles, Costco's ability to attract customers even in difficult conditions highlights a resilient business model supported by robust membership revenue. The company is anticipated to leverage its strong position to navigate inflationary pressures, which may bode well for its long-term prospects. Investors will likely be closely monitoring how Costco responds to the changing tariffs and market dynamics, as these factors will significantly influence its stock performance in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned Cost a hold grade along with a hold action. On the same day, Telsey Advisory rated Cost as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, BMO Capital rated Cost as outperform and also issued a hold action. On that same date, Citigroup provided Cost with a neutral grade and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, Morgan Stanley assigned Cost an overweight grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Costco stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Costco. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Costco stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected around $1,027 and $1,013. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 10.45%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices were falling. This could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 28 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 38 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Costco. Costco finds support from accumulated volume at $954.07. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. During the previous day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of $59.64 between its high and low, which is a change of 6.33%. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Costco, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $4.25. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Costco. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Costco is at $965.25. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Costco encounters its first support level at $954.07. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Costco from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 19th of December, 2024, Jelinek W. Craig conducted an insider sale of 2017 shares of common stock. On the 16th of December, 2024, Rakes Jeffrey S. conducted an insider sale of 3,969 shares of common stock. On the 16th of December, 2024, Denman Kenneth D. conducted an insider sale of 520 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of October, 2024, Clower James C. conducted an insider sale of 291,224 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of October, 2024, Clower James C. conducted another insider sale of 23,995 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 6.63. In summary, insiders purchased 104,753 shares and sold 98,922 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Costco stock a good buy? The Costco stock exhibits several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Costco will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 10th of March, we expect Costco to open higher by $5.53, starting at a price of $969.84. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.